Oke, baik, kita sudah sekarang berenang. Woi, ini sudah jam 8 malam, kita masih bisa berenang. Oh.
Yeah, I remember. Yeah, while I was taking my shit, I was coming across the bloke who's been poking me at Melbourne.
Wah, kita berenang. Pemandangan yang begitu indah di sana. Semangki. Banyak sekali kura-kura berenang di sini. Oke, kita berenang di sini, kita merame di sini. Guys. Oke, kita tertin di sini ya. Wahai, ompit berenang di sini. Ini di sana bagus sekali matahari nih. Mantap. Karena matahari sangat panas, kita merame di sini. Nah, sambil menonton kura-kura berjemur. Di sana bagus sekali. Mantap. Oke, awas kacamata. Aku kalau mau kacamata, gue mau kacamata pula. Kacamatanya lepas. Ini di pantai apa? Kesantai tak pantai. Berenang apa itu? Orang kata. Malam helikopter. Wih, bagus sekali sana. Sama Cina. Meridim ya. Kenapa? Si mama sudah pose PT ya. Ini si pakai di. Oke. Sekarang sudah jam 8 mau itu nah bergumang apa itu loh, baru sunset kalau jam 8. Nah, kenapa dingin sekali. Sudah dingin. Wah, di sana tempat foto-foto bagus nih. Foto-foto. Foto-foto. Sana. Hah?
Tempat itu namanya Point Omen.
Mana? Point?
Point Omen.
Point Omen. Bagus sekali.
Tempat
Ini dibayar di sini, datang dibayar di sini. Tiket. No, free.
free.
Oh, free.
You have to pay for parking.
Oh, just
Harus
parking.
dibayar untuk
Parkir.
Ya.
Oh. But
Kita,
for
kita punya what's it called?
kita punya
It's like permit.
oh, permit. Permisi.
Ada di mobil.
Oh.
Bisa parkir di
Di mana-mana.
pantai. Ya.
Oh, di mana dapat permit?
Dari pemerintah.
Pemerintah.
Papaku datang di sini setiap hari.
Oh, setiap hari.
Jalan-jalan di pantai.
Oh, jalan-jalan saja.
Yeah.
Just walking.
All the
Walking.
way to Brighton
Oh,
and then back.
there.
Yeah.
Jadi bapaknya katanya setiap hari datang jalan saja dari pukul ujung. Oh, so your father good health.
8 km.
8 kilometer. No way, 8 kilometer jalan. Di sini tidak dibayar, cuma sana. Banyak juga anjing. Si Pak ditambung dompet ya lo ya. Weh, the sun is good. Weh, mataharinya bagus.
I have to finish dyeing my wool. I'm dyeing this wool with carrot top. Nice. Yes. Sick. Nice. That's not good flowers. Yeah. Did you have any?
Which one?
Pantainya juga bersih. We will back.
We go.
We go. Oh,
We go.
we go.
You climb.
Aku ganti baju dulu. About this to change.
Doesn't
Where?
matter.
Where?
Nggak apa-apa.
Nanti basah di kursi.
Nggak apa-apa. Bisa ganti di rumah.
Bisa ganti dulu, mah. Ini basah ini.
Ya, nggak apa-apa.
Kursinya
Itu menjadi keringnya.
menjadi kering. Iya. Oh, kita mau pulang ini guys. Kita mau pulang. Jadi Opit tidak ganti celana, pakai baju saja pulang. Datang saja Miram sebentar baru pulang. Very fast. motor. Ada speedboat.
Someone who barbecue.
Oh itu. Wow. Ada balapan. Wow. Jatuh. Jet ski. Ay, ada balapan jet ski, balapan. Lambung kiri, lambung kanan. Super fast, super cepat. Oke Mi, kita pulang. Nah, sudah cukup mandi-mandinya. Luar biasa. Nanti juga kita akan mandi-mandi lagi di Bali.
But we were like, "Ha," and she was kind of like, "Ha, ha," and we were like, "Ha, ha," and she left. Like, whoa. Remember the
So,
and she just like literally left.
Was that? Is it Charlie? Like from John's Charlie? Yeah. That's so funny. I have trauma from like missing out on team sports with my friends.
Yeah, I feel like that's a very big primary school, like that's your whole world.
Oh yeah, I was such a little sports girl. So funny to think about it too. But even though on the weekend I was so sad because I was like, I'm just gonna have to sit there, and I just can't do that.
Yeah.
And then also, I was so socially burnt out, and I'm like, I can't believe. Like, I always want to be with my friends. I love my friends so much.
But even you reached.
But even I reached my social quota, and I was like, this is crazy. Is this how people feel? Like,
This
not.
is what it feels like to have
Yeah.
any agoraphobia.
Yeah. But just like to be like, oh, I don't want to go. It's like, no, what? What do you mean?
You just genuinely never feel like you don't want to go.
Yeah, I always want to go. I always want to go. And that's why I think it's like, when I'm like, I don't always do what I want. People are like, yeah, but you're here. And I'm like, yeah, that's because I want what I want. I always want to be here. Like,
That's so good. That's what everyone used to be like, you know?
yes man.
Yeah. I'm obsessed with this like parenting podcast at the moment.
oh yeah.
Because it's kind of about like
Wow,
different
okay,
generations and like why kids these days so like on their phones and saying everything. And it's talking about how like the kids used to be raised with a lot more like
Chris, itu mayang? Balok, pohon balok?
Nggak ada balok.
Mayang, bukan mayang ini.
if only. Yeah, it's saying how people don't put themselves out there anymore and like kids used to play on the street until dark and now parents are like, don't leave outside. Exactly related.
that we come couple of days.
I've got a friend called Amelia McCullough, Niels, and Henry Bogdanovich.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty big up on the peninsula.
Amelia.
Ternyata banyak juga yang datang berenang.
Well, I don't know. I don't think Niels is, but Henry is like the heir to a Serbian grocery empire.
Yeah, I've never heard of a Henry. Amy Henry. Never.
You'd remember Henry Bogdan.
Yeah. They're probably pen people. You got the pen and you got the niche.
Oh, ini ada
No, that's actually niche. Surprisingly.
mana itu? Oh,
I don't know this one. She's cute
roller
though.
coaster apa
Yeah.
itu?
Then what's Pan?
Pen is like when you're up sort of Mount Eliza, that Flinders, Point Leo and stuff. But people that particularly like go to, or like Red Hill Main Ridge, that's all penny.
Hati-hati buaya. Ya,
If you go to like
udah buaya.
Peninsula School, Toorak, Woodley, they're pen to pen people. Ninjas is like public school, Padua, but
I don't really know the lay of the land very well.
you could definitely hear like a pen type person might look but a ninja is from the beach. You wouldn't know what a pen is. The pens don't really know their pens.
Yeah, they're like claiming the whole one.
Have you ever seen Outer Banks?
No.
Well, that's my point then. Just to show where they've kind of got like these different class systems that exist in the same town. That's like very much because we all went to the same school. Nah, it's a drama. But like the big but because it was the only big public school, like there was a lot of
Masa kubur na pala
Frankston,
sigurado.
Mornington is.
Mornington and then what?
Mornington, Mount Eliza, Mount Martha, Safety Beach, Dramana, Rosebud.
Oh.
Then Ryblik, Arrowsmento. Like it's
Oh.
pretty far down.
So
Then
it's
Portsmouth.
kind of rich, poor, rich, poor.
Yeah, 100%.
True.
Yep.
Why? That's so weird.
Well,
I thought it was just like everything kind of close to Frankston was poor.
No.
And then as you got further along, it got richer and richer till you get to Portsea, and that's like the pinnacle
No.
of richness.
That's why it's weird, but it's also because the way that it works is that when you come through Frankston, right? You go Frankston, you come down the front of Frankston, which is crazy that it's poor because when you're in Frankston, it's fucking beautiful. It's so weird. You drive like so all the way down the front road, like Dramana's still kind of dodgy, and so is Rosebud, and it gets nicer. It does along the front, but the back end of the peninsula is like where you've got Red Hill, Main Ridge, Mount Eliza, all that stuff is like rich. Mount Martha.
The areas with access to the back beach. Am I allowed to go? Go.
was explaining the back page story the other day, and I was saying how like you're going off.
We're just gonna leave you in park.
That's alright. A little bit line just
Okay, you stay here.
Yeah.
In the view.
Sweet.
Oh, yeah.
Bye, Victor.
Okay, bye.
Bye, Lizzie.
Mm-mm.
Monday or something we could.
Kita
Oh ya. Bisa ke kamu duduk
Pindah
di
sini?
sini? Ya.
Hah?
We're taking a painting.
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 Big.
Oh, ini.
Yeah. Okay.
Painting lukisan.
In there, Papa de Rose
Oh,
make it.
Papa Ross make paint
Yeah, he's an artist,
art. Oh, yeah.
famous, little bit.
Mm-mm. What he paint?
I'll show you.
Oh, she also paint face.
More abstract.
Oh, abstract. Ya, Rosie tinggal di sini. Oh,
That's
This
him.
is-
Yeah.
Rosie's father.
Yeah.
Oh. Mm-mm.
Oh, wow.
Wow. Rosie's.
Bapaknya
Rosie.
buat ini.
You need
Hai. Mantap sekali. Mm-mm. Bapak Rosie bikin lukisan luar biasa.
Okay, we're gonna get Victor to hold.
Ya.
Ah.
That's a great painting.
Mm-mm.
And this is for your mum?
Wow. Sempit.
Okay. Do you want to just jump in that side of the thingo and
You hold this.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. More?
yeah, can you hold it on?
Yeah.
Yeah? We're not
You
going
can hold. Yeah.
Thank you, baby.
At our
Lukisan dari bapaknya Rosie. Rosie salah satu dari tim Dog Milk ya. Rosie.
Milk.
Bapaknya melukis abstrak.
Yeah.
The John Byte 2021.
That's like the Indonesian equivalent of John, like the name that everyone has.
John.
Yeah. As in like
There's lots of people in Toraja called John
true.
because they're Christian.
Muhammad?
Ayo.